best way of English. Huh?
I am home.
Welcome home.
I am very tired today.
Sit down. I will bring water.
Thank you.
How was your day?
Very busy. Too much work.
You look stressed.
Yes. Office work never ends.
Did you eat something?
Only tea in the evening.
Food is ready. You can eat later.
Okay. First I want to rest.
Sure.
Give me my phone.
Here it is.
I want to check my bank account.
Why now?
Today's salary message came.
Oh, that is good.
Wait! This is strange!
What happened?
Money is less.
Less? How?
Many deductions are showing.
Let me see.
Look at this.
Okay.
Why so many transactions?
I don't know.
Shopping, online order, mall payment.
Oh, yes.
Did you spend this money?
Yes, I did.
So much money.
I needed some things.
This is too much.
Listen to me first.
I am listening.
Last week there was a sale.
Sale again?
Clothes were very cheap.
But we already have clothes.
Kids needed new ones.
Okay. What else?
Shoes for our son.
His old shoes were fine.
They were small now.
And
And groceries.
Groceries cost this much.
Prices are high.
That is true.
I also bought kitchen items.
Which items?
New pressure cooker.
Why new one?
Old one was leaking.
You did not tell me.
I forgot. Sorry.
What about this big payment?
That was for shopping mall.
Mall shopping is expensive.
I know.
Why didn't you ask me first?
I thought it was needed.
Money is not unlimited.
I understand.
We have bills to pay.
Yes. Electricity bill is coming.
And house rent.
I did not forget.
Then why so much spending?
Because many things finished together.
Still, we must plan.
You are right.
I work hard every day.
I know you do.
I get tired in office.
I see that.
When I see less money, I feel worried.
I am sorry.
You should tell me before spending big money.
I promise I will.
Do you know how hard it is to earn?
Yes, I respect your work.
Then please be careful.
I will be careful.
How much money is left now?
Enough for this month.
Only enough?
Yes, not extra.
That is the problem.
I understand now.
We should save money.
Yes, for future.
Children education is important.
I think about that too.
Medical emergency can come anytime.
You are right.
Savings give peace.
I agree.
Next time, talk to me first.
I will talk to you.
We are a team.
Yes, husband and wife.
We must decide together.
Together is better.
I am not angry, just worried.
I know. Thank you for understanding.
Tell me one thing.
What?
Did you buy anything for yourself?
Just one dress.
Only one?
Yes, really.
Next month, no big shopping.
Okay. No shopping.
Sorry if I spoke loudly.
It is okay.
You also work hard at home.
Thank you for saying that.
Housework is not easy.
True.
Thank you for understanding me.
Thank you for trusting me.
We will be careful from now.
Yes, together.
I love you.
I love you too.